conscious. Have you noticed this? Am I the only one? I'm sure I'm not, but it feels like it's somewhat. Fuck I am, giving me extra life. And just thinking about the gift that is makes me cry my eyes out. We're so lucky to feel things the way that we feel them. So many people don't know what a gift that is. All they do is complain about it. When are they not complaining about something that really ain't worth complaining about? Sweating bullets right now, you guys, and I don't have a bag of drugs in my crotch, so I don't know why I'm sweating. Aside from this heat. I do this on purpose though. I have air conditioning, but I just won't use it. Myself. To do things that aren't too much fun. All to say I done them. But I look at most people around me. To throw away. Can't wait to throw away their humanity. That did not sound good. I know it didn't. Habits wreak havoc. Habits wreak havoc. Habits wreak havoc. People complain about everyone at the top, as if they won't be up there tomorrow. That's all to say. Wasn't that a better rendition? that sun? I like it a lot. It's one of my favorite things in the whole world, you guys. Whenever the sun shoots through the trees. You don't have to believe in God. Many people say they believe in God, but they don't act like they do. Based on how they act, based on how they treat other people that they don't like too much. They can't stop making it obvious that they're filled with so much hate. And I get it, I really get it, but you're a little late. Humanity has always been terrible. Human beings have always been pretty worthless. I mean, human beings are the reason why we ended up in this mess. Every single mess is because of humanity. What a tragedy. And we're supposedly at the top of the food chain. I'll believe it when I see it. And I know that everything's a game. You don't have to tell me that I've already played. And I play my own game every single day. As long as you win the game that you're in. Not the one that they